For the Arizona Notary Public Exam, we are focusing on one of the most critical rules you will be tested on: the absolute prohibition against predating or postdating a notarial act. The date entered on a notarial certificate must be the actual calendar date the signer personally appeared before you. This is not the date the document was drafted, nor the date it needs to be filed, but the exact date of the physical interaction. In Arizona, knowingly entering a false date is not a minor clerical error. It is a serious offense. Under Arizona law, specifically ARS Section 41-330, executing a notarial certificate with a statement known to be false is grounds for commission revocation or suspension. Falsifying information on a notary certificate can lead to severe penalties, and depending on the circumstances, could be part of broader fraudulent activities, which carry felony charges. The exam will test your understanding of this rule with scenario-based questions designed to apply pressure. A classic example involves a real estate transaction. Imagine a test question where a real estate agent is frantic because a signing was missed and a deadline is looming. The signer appears before you on Tuesday, but the agent pressures you to backdate the acknowledgement to Monday to ensure the loan funds on time. They might insist that without this change, their client will lose their dream home. Your exam answer and your real-world action must always be to refuse. The legal liability for that false date rests squarely on your shoulders as the notary. Another common exam trap presents the request as a harmless favor. A signer might explain they were supposed to sign a document on a specific date but couldn't make it, and ask you to use the earlier date so their paperwork is consistent. The reason is irrelevant. Arizona law provides no exceptions for good intentions or client convenience. You must politely but firmly state that the date must reflect the day the signer is physically present. To help this rule stick, use the mnemonic, "Today's date, no debate." This simple phrase reinforces the non-negotiable nature of the requirement. When the signer is in front of you, the calendar date is the only date you are legally permitted to use on your certificate. This principle of accuracy extends to your notary journal. The date of the notarial act recorded in your journal must always match the date on the notarial certificate. An exam question could present a situation where these dates do not align, which would be a clear violation. Both records document the same event and must be identical. Failing to maintain an accurate journal is a breach of your duties. Ultimately, the date on a notarization is a core fact you are certifying as a public officer. Any deviation, whether predating or postdating, undermines the integrity of the act and is a serious violation of your duties. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.